Episode 2, The Chromosome Fusion Mystery.
You are about to enter a dimension, not just of sound, but of thought, where static hides secrets, and the screen watches back. What began as a flicker, a whisper between channels, is now a presence, crawling through the cracks of forgotten stories and reaching through the dark. These are the real and the raw, the truths they buried, and the questions no one wants asked. This is Tantrum TV, where reality fractures and the signal never sleeps.
The Chromosome Fusion Mystery.
Last time we talked about Anunnaki, ancient visitors some believe came from a different planet, Planet X. We looked at the possibility of their mission here on Earth. Go check the video out. But today, we're going deep inside your body. Something every human on Earth has, but no other creature does. And if you understand it, you might start seeing human in a whole new way.
Don't worry, it's not something gross like earwax.
Nope, I'm talking about chromosomes, the instruction book that tells your body how to grow, what you look like, and even how you think. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Apes like chimps, gorillas, and orangutans, they have 24 pairs. So the question is, where did the extra pair go?
Maybe it joined the Witness Protection Program.
This wasn't just a guess. Scientists have found real proof inside our DNA. 2 ancient chromosomes joined end to end, right? They're joined end to end. You can still see like the weld mark. There's a second centromere, and that's the middle part, right in the center, right? Your DNA. And the telomeres are the caps that protect the DNA. They're stuck in the middle where they don't belong.
Or maybe they fuse together into one. That's human chromosome 2. That's like finding your toothbrush in the freezer. Still works, but it's in the wrong place.
If you could understand that, right? Scientists say this happened naturally 4 to 6 million years ago, that it was one of those changes in evolution. But here's something to think about. If it's so random, why don't we see this kind of fusion in other animals that we are so close to, that's like close to us?
Because maybe Mother Nature had help. Or maybe Mother Nature had a lab partner.
If the Anunnaki really were here mining gold, they might not have wanted to wait a million years for us to evolve. A hidden stamp inside every one of us. And here's the important part. You have to think for yourself. Don't just believe the first answer someone gives you. Look up human chromosome 2 fusion. Read more than one article. Read multiple articles. Ask yourselves questions like, who would gain from making this change? Why only humans? And what else might be hidden in our DNA?
Homework time. Write 3 ideas. Post them. One can be nature, one can be design, and one, make it wild. I like wild.
I'll read some of your answers in the next episode. This just isn't a show, it's a conversation.
Here's the fun part. Our chromosome 2 matches 2 separate ape chromosomes almost perfectly. It's like taking 2 puzzle pieces and gluing them together. That's real, testable evidence. And you don't have to be a scientist to see it.
The question isn't if it happened, the question is how.
If it turns out the Anunnaki made us, I'm sending them my grocery bill.
And why? Because this DNA fusion could be the missing link between us and ancient visitors, and a version of history we were never meant to know.
Next, we're talking about the 99.9% truth, the part of our DNA that proves we're all more alike than different and destroys racism.
You've been watching Tantrum TV, where reality bends and the static never truly fades. The signal may dim, but the questions will follow you into the dark.